How to enroll in Bank of America online banking. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a very simple step-by-step guide you can follow to enroll into it. So let's get started. First of all, we can go to the official site of Bank of America. So go over and search for Bank of America. And you should be finding the official site, which is this one right here. Head over there and open it up. And the things you need are Bank of America account, debit card or credit card, your SSN or tax ID or any alternative option that you have, and a valid email address and your card PIN for verification. So for that, once you are in this page, you can look out for the option called Enroll and click on it right in this section, and you will be headed towards this space right here. Now, here what we need to do is, first of all, go ahead and provide in our last digits of your account, debit or credit card number. So provide it up, and right below it, we need to provide in a SSN or TIN. Once you've done that, you can click on continue and head over to the next process. And you need to provide in your email address to receive a verification code sent to your email. You need to enter it up and also provide your debit card PIN and accept the terms and conditions. Once you do so, your account should be created. You will be creating your username and your password. You can just go over and now head over the login page, enter up your user ID in this box. Right below it, you can enter up your password and click on login, and you can use the online banking very easily. Alternatively, you can also download your application and tap on enroll and follow the similar steps, and same ID and password will work for both the application and website, and it's usually just a few minutes task to complete the enrollment. So that is it, everybody. We can just go and follow out this method for us. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.